Good morning. On your math choice boards, there are a lot of problems this week that ask you to create word problems where it gives you, the equation 36 divided by something equals 6, or 15 times something equals 45. And so we're going to do a couple here, a couple example word problems to show you how to create some word problems of your own at home. And I'll be doing some different ones. The ones I do on the board won't be the same equations that you have on your choice boards. So let's see. Let's do 48 divided by something equals 6. All right. So if I was going to do this, I'm looking for something, some number divided by 48. And I know that 48 divided by 6 should be 8. I'm just going to put that right there because we know our math facts. So let's come up with a problem where we have to divide 48 by something to get 6. So let's see. How about there are 48 students and there's 48 students in summer school. Y'all that didn't do your work are going to summer school. In summer school. And maybe the summer school kids are going to go on a field trip to the historical museum. All the summer school students will be going to the historical museum. It's not open right now, but it's over by the hospital if you're interested in going later on. And they're gonna group up. There are 6 chaperones. I'm gonna put there are 6, and a chaperone is like an adult or a parent who goes along to help watch and watch everybody, make sure no one gets into trouble. Chaperones going. I'm gonna put how many. Well, I'm gonna put there's 4 chaperones going and 2 teachers. How many students will be in each group if students are split evenly between adults? Okay, so let's read what we've got. And notice it's kind of hard to read on your end because it's small. So we've got, there are 48 students in summer school. So I got my 48 from over here. All the summer school students will be going to the historical museum. There are 4 chaperones going and 2 teachers. How many students will be in each group if students are split evenly between adults? All right, so let's solve for it now because the problems on your choice board also want you to solve for them. So we've got 48 students. All right, does it really matter that they're in summer school? Probably not. And it says that they are going to be going to the historical museum. Does it really matter that they're going to the historical museum? Probably not. There are 4 chaperones. That's important. And 2 teachers. All right, that's also important. How many students will be in each group if students are split evenly between adults? So we will box the question. It's kind of a long question. Boxed it. Okay, so now we need a sentence. Let's see. So how about there will be blank students in each group. All right. So we got the read done. Check that off. So now we need draw. So I'm going to do a tape diagram. And let's see if we can figure out whether this is a multiplicative comparison or an additive comparison. It says that they're splitting everybody up. That split word right there. So I'm thinking this might be multiplicative, is we're not like taking out some, like having some left or less. It's breaking them up into groups. So how would we draw this tape diagram? Let's see. We've got a total of 48. Oh, I should draw that list a little bit lower. Give myself some space. Total of 48. And how many total groups do we have? We've got the 4 chaperones plus the 2 teachers gives us a total of 6 adults. So I'm going to group this into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And I'm looking for how many will be in each of those groups. This looks like multiplicative because I have the boxes showing the multiplying. 6 times something should be 48. Or 48 divided by something equals 6. So now we can solve. So what times 6 will be 48? Let's do the math. Well, let's see. We know that the multiplication fact of 6 times 8 is 48. So then 48 divided by 6 should be 8 as well. All right. So when you're doing these on your paper, oh, I got on my shirt. When you're doing these today, make sure that you are coming up with problems that actually show this. Some of you I saw yesterday, they were using the numbers, but they weren't actually showing the division or the subtraction. It was, I don't know what they were. So make sure that you're following the actual equation. Also, make sure that your word problem makes sense. A lot of them I saw also have been really wordy, to the point where you get to the end and you're like, I have no idea what this problem was even telling me. So read through it again a couple of times to make sure you've got the information down and there's not too much extra going on. And then please solve for it afterwards. Don't just give me the answer. Show the work that you're doing, the read, the draw, the write, as well also.